welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we're going to talk about what do we do with fractions when they have exponents. This is very similar to negative numbers with exponents. You have to pay attention to the parentheses, okay? So when the whole fraction is squared, it means we take the whole fraction and multiply it by itself. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. Another way to think about that is that it is 1 squared over 2 squared. We still get 1/4. Just depends on how you want to look at it. But because it's in parentheses, the top and the bottom get that squared. So however you want to think about it, as 1/2 times 1/2 or 1 squared, 2 squared, it's the same thing. This is different. This is 1 over 2 squared. Only the 2 is squared. Oh, it actually does give you the same answer. It's a different process though. This is just 2 times 2 squared. It's not the whole thing squared. It makes more sense on the next one. It's not the same math. I get that it gives you the same answer, but it's not the same math when it's not in parentheses, okay? Let's look at this one and I'll show you what I mean on this one. All right, negative 3/4, the whole thing squared. Negative 3/4 times negative 3/4. A negative times a negative gives me a positive. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. You can also think about that like a 3 squared and a 4 squared. Just be careful with the negative. So negative 3 squared, 4 squared still gives you 9 over 16. Both pieces get squared, the 3 and the 9. Just make sure you're careful with this negative, okay? A negative number squared is a positive number. And what I mean when I say it's not the same, down here, of course, it gave us the same answer, even though it was different when I worked it out. Not the same. Not the same. If I did negative 3 over 4 squared, see how only the 4 gets the squared? This would be negative 3 over 16. Or same idea if I only squared the top. So if only negative 3 was squared, that would be 9 over 4. So you have to pay attention to where the parentheses are on these, okay? If all else fails, write it out the long way. Negative 3/4 times negative 3/4, okay? A lot of times that helps clear your brain because the parentheses, you get rid of some stuff. You make it look simpler, right? No parentheses, no exponent. You're just multiplying. I hope that was helpful. This is a very common mistake that I see, so I wanted to make sure I talk about it. Just be careful when you're working out problems with fractions and exponents, okay? If you have more questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers that are ready to help you with some tutoring sessions. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content. Have a great day.